Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Settings, so we'll change the cursor right away. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings, then click Accessibility. Once in Accessibility, select Mouse Pointer and Touch. This brings up pointer size, color, and built-in styles. Make adjustments to size and color sliders to preview instantly. Choose white, black, or inverted for visibility. If you plan to import cursors, make sure files are accessible in a folder before continuing, so you can switch without interruptions. Now refine how the pointer looks and behaves. Use the pointer size slider to set a comfortable visual scale, then pick a color, white, black, or a custom shade, to improve contrast with your backgrounds. Once done, click Additional Mouse Settings to open the Old Control Panel app for scheme choices. This is where you can load cur or any files if you downloaded custom pointers. Make sure to apply each change to test movement. Smooth cursor visibility, reduces strain, and improves precision while you work. Finish by applying your changes and verifying they persist. In Additional Mouse Settings, press Apply then OK, and immediately test the pointer across File Explorer, a browser, and a full-screen app to ensure consistency. If the cursor reverts or behaves oddly, first restart Windows Explorer or log out and back in. If that fails, open Device Manager to update or reinstall the mouse driver. As a last resort, revert to the default Windows scheme and reapply custom files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.